The ZTE Nubia Red Magic 10 Pro Plus is a high-performance gaming smartphone designed to deliver an exceptional gaming experience. Here's a breakdown of its key features. Powerful performance. Processor: Snapdragon 8 Elite, ensuring smooth and responsive gameplay. RAM: up to 24 GB of RAM for seamless multitasking and demanding games. Storage: up to 1 TB of storage to accommodate your extensive game library. Immersive Display. Size: 6.85-inch AMOLED display for a visually stunning experience. Refresh rate: 144 Hz refresh rate for smooth and fluid visuals. Resolution: high resolution for crisp and detailed graphics. Long-lasting battery capacity: 7,050 mAh battery for extended gaming sessions. Fast charging: 120W fast charging to quickly top up the battery. Advanced cooling system: ICE 12.0 cooling system, efficiently dissipates heat, preventing thermal throttling. Enhanced gaming experience. Physical triggers for precise and responsive controls. Red Magic OS, optimized for gaming with features like game boosters and performance modes. Impressive camera setup. Main camera: 50 megapixels main sensor for high-quality photos and videos. Ultra-wide camera: 50 megapixels ultra-wide sensor for capturing wider scenes. Depth sensor: 2 megapixels depth sensor for enhanced portrait photography. Additional features: in-display fingerprint sensor for secure and convenient unlocking. Dual stereo speakers for immersive audio experience. 5G connectivity for fast and reliable internet speeds. Overall, the ZTE Nubia Red Magic 10 Pro Plus is a top-tier gaming smartphone that offers a powerful performance, stunning display, long-lasting battery, and advanced cooling system. It's designed to provide an exceptional gaming experience for even the most demanding gamers. If you're looking for a phone that can handle the latest and most demanding games, the Red Magic 10 Pro Plus is definitely worth considering.